Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 17th of August till 23rd of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so this is a general reading. As you all know, it might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see. 3 shuffles, please. Alright, so if your sun sign is not resonating, so you can also check out my other videos for your moon sign, rising and Venus sign as well. Alright, so let's look at your cards now. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. At the back of the deck, it's the Temperance. You know, this Temperance is giving me a feeling that, you know, maintaining balance of mind, maintaining balance of everything, so that you can achieve the success which you are seeking for. Okay, so there is some kind of a justice, you know, in your middle of the reading. Justice is here. Okay, so let's get into your cards now. So your past energies are 4 of Rods, King of Rods and the Emperor. So, you know, the decision has been taken over here, I'm seeing, in regards with some kind of a family or something, or some kind of really where, you know, there's some person who had to take a decision in regards with anything, any situation. A decision was made. Your present energies are 9 of Pentacles, Justice and 6 of Rods. So I'm getting that, you know, you are basically waiting for the Lord to give you that judgment, or to give you that justice which you actually need, and it's like, you know, to achieve success. That is what I'm seeing in your present. Your future energies are 9 of Cups, 5 of Pentacles and Knight of Swords. So things are really coming really fast towards you with the 9 of Cups and the King of Swords. Whatever you are manifesting towards yourself will come towards you. If you are manifesting negativity towards you, negative things come. If you are manifesting positivity, so positive things come. So this all depends upon you, how you are manifesting. So I'm seeing that with the 9 of Cups and the Knight of Swords, it's like you are actually wanting happiness, but there is some kind of left out feeling as well, like happiness with, because you achieve happiness, so you have to, you know, you have to lose something to achieve something. So that is this feeling. Okay, so let's clarify now. Let's see why the Temperance is here in your overall energy. Why the Temperance is here in your overall energy for my Capricorns, please. 3 of Cups, Page of Pentacles, 5 of Swords and the Hermit. Okay. Yeah. It's been like, you know, you have thought a lot about this situation. You know, see, things, they do take some time. So you are like, you are thinking, you are learning from, because you are actually doing some kind of soul searching, you know, where you are researching yourself. You are actually wanting to know yourself, like what is happening, that what question mark. Okay, so what is happening in my life, why is this happening in my life? So you are learning, you know, you are actually not investigating, but I would say that you are trying to find out the reason, and you are learning from the process. Whatever is going on, you are learning from the process, because I'm seeing that there was, for some of you might be third party over here, but not exactly, but still there is some level of deception over here. You know, deceit and deception. I'm seeing that a lot of betrayals might have happened to you, and that is why you are wanting to know, you are trying to know that why this thing happened. So you are learning the, you are trying to know the facts, and then you are learning through the process. That is what you are doing. Let's see your past energies. Let's see King of Rods in your past energies. Why is this King of Rods here? So many cards. So I'll take this King of Swords. Okay. Okay, a decision was made, the action was done. So that is what I'm getting. Okay. Decision made, the action was done, and you just set it free. Not free, but you just kept moving on. After making the decision, after making the action, the appropriate action which was needed in this particular situation, you were like, okay, now so it's time to move on. So whatever the situation is, might be in regards with your family or marriage stuff, but I'm seeing that basically your past energies are really fast. Like, first the decision was made, the action was also done, so things were actually going step by step. So whatever the thing was, you were doing it step by step. Let's see why the Emperor is here. Why is the Emperor is here in your past energies? Why the Emperor is here? Temperance again. Yeah, the Knight of Rods. Okay, so with this, okay, so with the Temperance and Knight of Rods, might be dealing with a Sagittarius over here, but it's like that. Okay, so this took time. This decision which was needed to be made long ago, it took time, but it actually happened with lots and lots of that kind of a maintaining balance, because you have to maintain balance in the other part as well and over here as well. So I'm seeing that whatever thing was this, you were not very like a harsh decision maker. You were, if you are the person, because these are your energies. So I'm seeing that if you are this person who actually made a decision, so it was not like just like that a clumsy action. No, I won't say that. It was an action which was dealt with a lot of thought process, a lot of thinking was involved, and it's like, no, the decision was really nice. Whatever this thing was, I'm seeing that from your side the things were actually was going step by step, and nothing was clumsy over here. No, nothing. Let's see why the Justice is here in your present energies. Why the Justice is here. Nine of Pentacles, Emperor, and one more card was here. Yeah. And Ten of Wands. So, okay. So, I'm seeing that, with the Justice and Ten of Wands, I'm seeing that somebody is actually feeling a little burdened, or feeling a little, that you might be feeling that you have achieved injustice. Injustice might have happened to your end. So this is that thought process. It's not actually happened. It's not the reality. It's just the thinking that so your mind is becoming so heavy. That kind of heaviness you are feeling. You are like feeling overloaded. You are feeling burdened, and you are feeling like, I am not able to do, because with your Nine of Pentacles energy, you are a very confident, very independent person who do not need anyone to let's say, if you are paying your bills, if you are renting, if you need whatever, you are staying in a rented place, so you do not need to ask money from someone else. You are very much independent in that thing. You have everything around you, but it's just that there is a heaviness, there is some kind of a feeling of being burdened and overloaded. still, being independent and being everything you have, but still this feeling is very, you are really feeling depressed, you are feeling sad that what is happening. Okay, because you are achieving, so because whatever you are doing, you want success in that thing. Let's see why the Six of Rods here in the present energy. Why the Six of Rods is here in the Ten of Cups. See, so this is something where you want to, like, again be happy, be victorious, like a happily ever after kind of a thing. You want that, and you just want to offload this heavy stuff from your head, because that is what you are manifesting, that is what you are looking yourself in the future. You are seeing yourself as the Nine of Cups, because there's a wish you want to see yourselves again, to be happy, to be with your family, friends, and those people whom you actually love. You want to be around them, you want to live a life which you have wished for, not this kind of a life where it's all just a burden, it's all just the tensions in life. No. Let's see why the Five of Pentacles is there in your future energies. Five of Pentacles, why is this Five of Pentacles is here? Two of Cups, sorry, so many cards. Okay, I'll say King of Cups, Eight of Swords, and Queen of Rods. So there is a separation, I'm seeing that, because I'm seeing that this separation is because of this kind of heaviness. So might be a separation from a family, or from a person, or from someone who is actually not giving you the value which you need, not from someone who actually you love, but someone who is actually torturing your life. I'm seeing that kind of a separation over here, because you're wishing for the separation. I'm seeing that you are wishing, this is a wishing card, and you are wishing for some kind of a separation, you are wishing for some kind of a it's better to be alone, that kind of a wish. Because I'm seeing that, see, with the Eight of Swords, it's like I'm just tired of this torture, I'm really feeling I'm caught in a cage and I'm not able to move. You are feeling this tortured feeling. Queen of Rods and King of Cups, you want to live a life which you love. You're the Queen of Rods. Well, this is a Leo energy, but it is actually your energy. You are feeling this way, that I want to be the talk of, not the talk of the town, it's more like I want to be someone who is very independent, who do not need anyone, who is just like a happy-go-lucky person, something like that. Okay, you just want that. Let's see why is this Knight of Swords is here. The Lovers and the Empress. So you are ready to fight. So the choices have been made, you are ready to fight for the things which you actually want, because I'm not seeing that it is not about a love relationship, it's more about you are fighting for yourself. I'm seeing over here, you are making choices for yourself which actually benefits you, not the other person, not your family, no one. It's like, what is benefiting me, I'm going to take that decision. I will not see my lover, my family, my friends, no, all I'm going to see is myself, because that is what the choice between two things, you are going to choose yourself above all. That is what I'm seeing, you're choosing yourself above all. Alright, so that's all, Capricorns, that's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.